Ready to infuse your Shopify store with your brand's color personality? In this video, I'll show you how to easily change colors throughout your theme to create a cohesive and memorable brand experience. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Colors play a crucial role in brand recognition and customer experience. With Shopify's visual editor, you can transform your store's appearance without touching a single line of code. Let's paint your brand's digital canvas. First, access your theme customizer by going to Online Store, Themes, and clicking Customize. This is where you'll find all the color settings for your specific theme. Navigate to the theme settings, usually found in the sidebar under Theme Settings or Colors. Here you'll see a palette of color options that control different elements like buttons, text, backgrounds, and accents. Use the color picker tool to select your brand colors. You can either choose from the color wheel, enter specific HEX codes for exact brand colors, or use the eyedropper tool to match colors from your logo or other brand assets. Work systematically through the color sections. Start with your primary brand color for buttons and accents, then choose complementary colors for backgrounds and text. Always check how colors look together for readability and visual harmony. A crucial pro tip: create a color palette document with your brand's HEX codes before you start. This ensures consistency across all elements. Also, test your color choices on both light and dark mode if your theme supports it, and always check color contrast for accessibility to ensure all customers can read your content comfortably. And just like that, you've transformed your store with colors that truly represent your brand. A cohesive color scheme creates a professional appearance and strengthens brand recognition. If this guide helped you bring your brand's color vision to life, please give it a like. What color scheme best represents your brand? Bold and vibrant or soft and minimalist? Share your color story in the comments below. To add dynamic elements to your store, subscribe for our next video on how to add a slideshow to your Shopify homepage. Thanks for watching.